understanding, walk me through it, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very common yet intriguing phrase, walk me through it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these expressions can significantly boost your conversational skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, walk me through it, is a request for detailed guidance or explanation. It combines two main concepts: walk, which implies a step-by-step movement, and through it, suggesting a process or procedure. Together, they metaphorically ask someone to guide the speaker step by step through a task, process, or explanation. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, such as at work, when you're new to a task and need someone to explain the steps involved; in education, when you're learning something new and require a detailed explanation of a concept or problem; in everyday life, when you're trying to understand instructions or need clarification on how something works. It's a polite way to ask for help, showing that you're eager to learn and understand. Let's look at some practical examples to see how walk me through it can be used in different scenarios. In a meeting, I'm not familiar with this project. Could you walk me through it? During a class, I'm struggling with this equation. Can you walk me through it? With technology, I've never used this software before. Could you walk me through it? These examples highlight how the phrase can be applied in professional, educational, and personal contexts. When someone asks you to walk them through something, they're looking for clarity and understanding. Here are some tips for providing effective guidance. Be patient, take your time, and ensure the other person is following along. Be clear and concise, use simple language and avoid jargon. Check for understanding. Ask if they have any questions or need further explanation on any points. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, walk me through it. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning how to effectively communicate in English opens up a world of opportunities. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to ask for a walkthrough whenever you need it. See you in our next video.